Introducing Healthy Homes. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of waterproofing your roof. The first crucial step is to remove the existing loose mortar from the roof surface. Using precision and care, we chisel out the old corner fillet, ensuring a clean and smooth surface. Once the surface is prepared, we thoroughly clean it using a powerful water jet gun, removing any remaining debris. To reinforce the corner and the edges, we create new corner fillets using high quality concrete. After allowing sufficient time for the concrete to cure properly, which is approximately 7 days, we apply the trusted Dr. Fix-It Prime Seal Primer, providing a strong foundation for the waterproofing system. After a 24 hours of waiting period, we apply the first coat of Dr. Fix-It Roof Seal Top Coat, incorporating a polyfiber mesh for added strength and durability. And then after 24 hours, second coat is being applied. Stay tuned as we continue our waterproofing journey, ensuring your home remains protected from the elements. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel Healthy Homes for more informative videos on maintaining a safe and secure living environment.